My name is Jasper Hendricks. I am a Research and Development Lead Fabricator here at AeroTEC in Moses Lake. AeroTEC is an aviation flight test and certification company. As a Research and Development Fabricator for AeroTEC, I perform many different tasks. Every day is a different day, every day is a different problem, and every day requires a different solution. In Research and Development here at AeroTEC, we do primarily aviation flight test. What that means is we're flight testing flying new products into the sky, which is really neat because it can go from a concept on a computer or on paper out to a hangar and then into the air. And we get to see that full circle here in Moses Lake, which is really neat to see from cradle to flight. A day-to-day looks like building things with metal, wood, carbon fiber, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, working with every different type of material that we see in our day-to-day life, and it all can be applied to aviation of some sort. There's a large demand for research and fabrication. There's a huge amount of manufacturing jobs, and I've never been without a job. Wherever I've gone to, I've gotten a job within a couple weeks, so huge demand out there. Absolutely, it's a difficult job, but it's also very rewarding, and it's very, very neat to be able to make something with your hands, set it on a workbench, and see something that you've created at the end of the day.
Learn more at careerexplorenw.org.